Hello, good morning. It's a new week. All right, Piola the Great weekend. So we're starting with the analysis and we're going to the Fox bet. Yeah, this is which is good. By the way, if you're new to the channel, my name is Present. This is how I trade. So I'm going live in the morning, 7:30 a.m. and also in the evening for recap on the analysis and we'll see together how the day play out. All right, on gold, we are still breaking upward. Yeah, there's a break here. As you can see, there's another break here upward, went up a little, came down. Now this is another upward break, and this is the low responsible for that, which is yet to be taken out. And being taken out, I mean, there's no close below this low on the 4 hour. So on the 1 hour, we're looking forward to see a bullish engulfing form, and there is nothing like that on gold. So on Euro USD, Euro USD on the 4 hour, yeah, it's related to gold, and on the 4 hour we are still breaking up. Let me just come closer. On the 4 hour here, we are still breaking up. There's a break here, there's a break here, on over here there's a break too. The candle did close above it, and the low responsible for that is still very valid. So the price is coming into this zone. Let's call that the mitigation of this imbalance here. The price came down into the zone, and I'm expecting it to pick it up back. So on the 1 hour, I'll be looking forward to see an entry like this. What I mean by the bullish engulfing, you can see this is a perfect example right here. You can see this black candle, then followed by the white engulfing candle that did take out the wick formed by the black candle. You can see that's a perfect entry right there on Euro USD. That trade was for last week. Okay, there is nothing like that yet, so we are going to wait on Euro USD, USD JPY. On USD JPY, we keep breaking downward. Yeah, break to the downside here last week. There's another breakdown here that did take out this low. This is one here, and this is another one here because there's a little eye formed right here. I don't know if that is clear enough. Okay, there's a little eye formed right here that was taken out by this candle too. Let's see, there's a break of structure right here. Okay, and this low formed, then this eye again that took out this previous eye formed. So it's a very minor one, but it counts. The candle closed bullish. Let me jump to the 1 hour so we can see that. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. You can see the break right here. There's this little eye formed, then this candle, this close on the 4 hour. It can candle closed below this low, came down, then there's a break to the upside again. The eye was taken out, so we are breaking upward on USD JPY. Though on the 4 hour, there seems to be the formation of, you can see this engulfing candle formed on the 4 hour. You can see it closing below the low formed initially by this candle. The wick did take out this previous candle wick. That's a very good sign that they are moving bearish. But considering the break right here, I'll be stepping backward a little on USD JPY. Though this candle too is trying to close below this from another entry. But let's wait a little and see what the price has to do there. Now this is GBP card. GBP card on the 4 hour. So let me delete some so the chart is going to be clear. Okay, the GBP card on the 4 hour. We are still breaking upward. You can see from this break right here, breaking upward, came down a little. There's a break of structure to the upside here again, and the price went down, though there is no close below this low yet. You can see the wick just testing it, and there seems to be no close below it. So that low is still very valid, and on the 1 hour, this is a very good entry right here. You can see the candle formed, this black candle formed, and followed by the white engulfing candle. So, but it's still playing to the downside now. Let's see how wide the candle is. So if I was active, I'll probably be in this position. Let's see how it's going to play out. Yeah, because it's yet to close below the. Let's see what we have there. On GBBAUD, on the 4 hour, let's see where the structure is leading us. So on the 4 hour, we are still bullish also. Okay, there's a break right here. Let me mark that. You can see the break right here. This eye was taken out here, not here, because this is just too weak. This is the close of the candle. There's another one right here. There's another one right here. And you can see this low was responsible for that. This low was responsible for that, and there is no close. There is no close below this low yet. So we are still valid. The bullish movement is still valid, and you can see this engulfing candle form on the 4 hour. Let's see how wide that is. If it's no more than 20 pips, then that's a good entry. Oh, that's like 36.1 pips. That's very large. On the 1 hour, let's see if there's something like that. No, you can just put your stop loss here, and if price did come into it, that's like 20 pips. If price is coming to it, then you can execute your position. So the next pair is ADUSD. ADUSD, this was the loss I took last week, Friday, and you can see it right here, broke up back. So on ADUSD, I'm gonna clean this short a little. Okay, on ADSD, there's this break to the downside here. You can see there's a break of structure to the downside. This is the high responsible for that. Took the price lower, then from the lower high again, broke downward again. Then this high was responsible for that, broke downward again. Then you can see the breakdown here, and the market is still within this range right here. There's no close below this, and there is a close above this high. So I'm still very bearish on AUD. So I'm expecting the candle to form. You can see this is like an engulfing candle forming, but it didn't take out the previous high, the highest high reached by this previous bullish candle. And by that I mean if there is probably a wick from this candle that didn't take out the high formed by this white candle, then I'll be in this position. But now no, that entry is not valid enough for me. But in total, I'm still looking for bearish position on. Still looking for bearish position on ADSD. GBP USD. Okay, let's see. There's a range right here. Then okay, this break of structure happened here because This candle right here did not close below it. Okay, that's the break of structure to the downside there, and this I was responsible for that. Okay, so we took out this I, then that means we broke to the upside somewhere around there. Then we continued breaking up. You can see from the new I somewhere around there, came down a little, then went up to form another new high. Then we went up to form another new high. Let's jump to the 1 hour, so that will be clear a little. There's a high formed right here. Okay, this is the low. This is the low. Yeah, you can see this high formed this low. Then there's a new high formed right here, and this new high does not break above it. It's just this candle wick. Neither is there a break or structure to the downside. You can just see it's just the wick. So we are still bullish, and within this range, on this range right here from year to year, we are still within this range. Yeah, and on the 1 hour, I'm still looking for bullish position. Yeah, I'm still very bullish on. Okay, let me just shift this right here. Still very bullish on 3B USD. On USD card, on the 4 hour, you can see we are still within this range right here. We've been there for a while, and this is a break to the upside. There's no break above it, and there is a close below it. So this this is we are still within this break of structure to the upside, and I'll be looking for bullish engulfing candles here to confirm my entry on USD card. So I'm still taking the price up. I'm expecting the market to do that. USD the last pair on the 4 hour. Yeah, you see these trades are last week, and this break to the downside, this break to the downside, and we are still within this range right here. Yeah, we're still within this range right here. You can see, so price is just reversing a little, and I'm expecting to see the formation of the bearish engulfing candle to take this to the downside. Alright, thank you for joining this morning. I'll be back in the evening by 9:30 p.m. West African time. I'll see you, and do have a wonderful trading day ahead.